In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quiz on Microsoft Forms. Let's start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in with your Microsoft account. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to create a new quiz. Click New Quiz and a blank quiz canvas will open. At the top, give your quiz a clear title and short description so respondents know what to expect. Before you add questions, you can pick a look and feel. Open the Style or Theme panel and choose a color scheme or background that matches your subject or audience. Don't worry, you can change the style later as you build. Now, let's add your first question. Choose the texted question type if you want respondents to type their answers. This is great for short answers or open responses. Add your prompt and, if needed, toggle the option to make the question required so no one skips it. You can also add a subtitle to clarify what you want in the answer. Add another question by selecting Add New Question. This time, pick choice to create a multiple choice item. Enter your question and list the options. If the quiz is graded, mark the correct answer and assign points so Forms can score it for you automatically. Need more than one correct answer? Turn on multiple answers. To reduce guesswork, consider shuffling options. Add a new question again to continue building out your quiz. You can mix question types as needed to keep things engaging. When you're ready to gather a quick opinion or gauge confidence, choose the rating type. This displays stars or numbers. Click the star icon to switch between symbols and adjust how many levels you want. 5 is common, but fewer levels can simplify decisions. Add labels like poor and excellent to make the scale crystal clear. Add another new question if you need to expand the quiz further. As your content takes shape, revisit the style area to refine the visual design. Browse the available styles until you find one that fits your topic, then click the style to apply it. Scroll down within the Style panel to uncover more customization options. Subtle changes to background, contrast, or imagery can make your quiz easier to read and more inviting. When you're happy with the look, open the Design section to finalize your choices and ensure everything appears consistent across the quiz. That's it. You've created a polished quiz in Microsoft Forms with text, choice, and rating questions, along with a custom style that suits your audience.